Well, I finally took my car down, got the front shocks put on it, had a buddy of mine do it. And he had this little rig down here. He's trying to sell me this little club car. It's a little Kawasaki made by Ingersoll Rand. It's a little copmobile, little tiny little thing. It's cool as hell. He wants $3 grand for it. I ain't gonna buy it. Anybody looking for one? You can buy this one for $3 grand. It's a pretty cool little deal. I even got to go for a ride in it. It's pretty sweet. Check it out. Hey, anybody looking for one of these little police wagons? Ingersoll Rand club car. It runs and everything. Pretty neat little buggy. Sun's so bright I can't really see. It's a little old thing. I don't know if you can see in the window down at the pedals. It's got two pedals. It's got a stop park pedal, which is one pedal, and a go pedal. Pretty cool. One owner, grandmother, used to just take it to the grocery store on Sundays. I don't know what police department or what, but this is what it was, a little buggy. It's got one little, where this got whacked here, got a little crack in it right there. Other than that, got mag wheels, got good tires on it, pretty sweet. This is the motorcycle shop, Mega Alley. Got all kinds of stuff around here. Weird. Anyway, that's it. Alright, we're gonna take a ride in the Hotmobile here. Pretty cool. Two-seater. Sweet.
Here, pull it. You gotta do this.
Yeah, let me do that. You can pull it. There it is. Okay. Tricky bastard. I can hear it. It wants to go. Gas powered. Ooh, oh, accident.
Huh?
Accident.
Accident.
It is. These windows don't roll down, do they?
A slide.
Oh, okay, cool. Got my arm out the window like a professional. Sweet. Oh, you're gonna go through the pothole?
Oh no.
Good God, man. That's huge. That thing's sweet.
Go inspect my work.
Oh yeah, we'll go inspect your yard job. We got a windshield wiper for those rainy days.
Got emergency lights up there.
Cool. Oh, Jesus Christ, scared the fuck out of me.
Turn signals.
Man, this thing got everything. It's street legal.
Yes.
I think they're made that way to be run on the street. Oh, back door's open.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Where'd you mow? Over here?
Right there in that front.
Look at that. Fine mowing job, it looks like.
Yep. I blew all the leaves out of the gutter.
Alright, put them right in the road where they belong.
Well, that's where they came from.
That's what they do at my house, too. They hate it when you do that.
What?
They hate it when you do that.
Well, no, I didn't blow them off my yard. I blew them out of the gutter. Yeah, they were up in the gutter with all that blow sand, so they were going to stop up. All-terrain vehicle, man.
Yep, anything will go anywhere. It's got size 13 tires on it.
Who knows? They're round and they're rubber and they hold air.
They got inner tubes in them.
I don't know.
Unknown.
Top speed.
One speed?
Yeah, that's it.
One speed. No shifting required. Even an idiot can drive this thing. That's why Lloyd's driving.
That's right. 290 cc.
290 cc?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Kawasaki.
This thing's cool. Oh, it's Kawasaki?
Yeah.
Made for Ingersoll Rand.
Made by them?
It's got a Ingersoll Rand thing. I'm gonna figure deal with the sellers of it.
An Ingersoll Rand. Yeah. What's a club car is what it is.
Yep. They used to use these emptying parking meters, didn't they?
I just came from MSU. They did some parking on them. I don't know what it was, but
Cool. Alright, that was it, folks. Riding a little mobile. Anyway, put my shocks in. That thing handles way better now. Them shocks had 224,000 miles on them. They were done beat up. All the rubber grommets were popped out and everything. But anyway, that's done. I got to take a ride in that little Go-mobile there. That thing was pretty cool. I don't know if anybody's looking for one, but I got access to one if you need one. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.